We are going to discuss electric field intensity due to an electric dipole at a point lying on its equatorial line. This is an electric dipole. Consider an electric dipole forming with two charges, minus q and plus q, having length 2a. Let point P be a point lying on equatorial line of dipole at which we want to find the electric field intensity due to electric dipole. Let distance of point P from midpoint of dipole O is a small r. Then the shortest distance between charge minus q and P, if A and B are the locations of charges minus q and plus q respectively, then electric field intensity due to charge minus q at P will be given as under root r square plus a square. Electric field due to charge minus q equal to k q by r square. R square means shortest distance between minus q and p, that is p square. E due to minus q, EP equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by under root r square plus a square 1. Since q is negative and therefore direction of field E minus it will be inward, and therefore electric field due to charge plus q E positive may be given as in the same way 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by Bp square E positive equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by same distance r square plus a square power under root power whole square. Equation 2. And direction of electric field, that is direction of electric field E positive, electric field at P due to charge plus q will be outward. E positive. Net field at P will be E equal to E positive plus E negative. If we resolve it, if it is theta, this one is theta, angle theta, theta, E positive and E negative. We want to find the resultant field at P, which is E. These two vectors angle theta, point is E positive, E negative. It will be net field E equal to under root E positive square E negative square plus 2 E positive E negative cos theta, but angle between E positive and E minus is cos 2 theta. Here E equal to E positive and E negative are equal in magnitude. Therefore, mod E positive equal to mod E negative. Therefore, let E net field B is given by E resultant equal to under root E square, let it is E dash E square plus E square 2 E square cos 2 theta. E dash equal to 2E square plus 2E square cos 2 theta under root E dash equal to 2E square 1 plus cos 2 theta. On putting the value of cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta को हम 2 cos square theta प्लेस कर सकते हैं. E dash equal to under root 2 E square 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square. cos 2a का फार्मूला होता है cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. उसी फार्मूले को यहाँ यूज करते हैं तो ये इस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. कोसाइन और साइन दोनों के फॉर्म में ये cos 2a का फार्मूला चेंज होता है. ये हो जाएगा 2 cos स्क्वायर थीटा. नाउ E डैश इक्वल टू 4 E स्क्वायर cos स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल टू 2E cos theta. And putting the value of E dash equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square plus a square टू ई cos थीटा. cos थीटा की वैल्यू हो जाएगी बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस. बेस ए अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस अंडर रूट आर स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर फ्रॉम द डायग्राम और रेजोल्यूशन जो इसके पहले हमने डायग्राम यूज किया था. E1 और E2 माने E पॉजिटिव और E माइनस को रिजॉल्व करने के लिए, उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए उसी फार्मूले से cos थीटा तो बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस ये मिल जाएगा. E डैश इक्वल टू 2AQ अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट r स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर पावर 1 पावर हाफ पावर 3/2. 2AQ is the dipole moment. Therefore it will be equal to E upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square plus a square power 3/2. This is the net field at P due to electric dipole. If dipole is of very short length, then R square A square will be very small in comparison to R square and therefore can be neglected. On neglecting A square, we have net field at P E dash equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon naught or Q. Direction opposite to the direction of magnetic field, electric dipole moment P. Direction of net field E dash at P opposite to dipole moment vector P.